This, guys, is how you make your parrot happy. Cook him a sweet corn, okay, like this, and then they will say, literally they will say thank you, because sweet corn is for some reason very favorite food for parrots, and also it's very nutritious. So cook it for about 10 minutes, 12 minutes, let it cool down in a cold water, and then serve for your parrot. Depending on the size of your bird, obviously don't give him too big, okay? Yo-Yo is having half, but he is not even having all of it, so this is like a little bit of it is plenty. Enjoy, guys, and see you soon.